If you're over 60 and your legs feel heavy, cold, or tired, even after a short walk, listen closely. Poor blood flow in the legs is one of the biggest hidden problems seniors face, and it doesn't always start with pain. Sometimes it starts with small things, mild tingling, slow healing cuts, or that tight feeling in your calves when you stand up. But the good news is that there's a simple drink backed by science and loved by thousands of seniors that can help boost circulation and support healthier legs. Warm ginger cinnamon water with lemon. This isn't a fancy tonic, not a supplement commercial, and not a magic cure. It's a natural drink that helps open blood vessels, fight inflammation, and improve the movement of blood through the arteries in your legs. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which help relax blood vessels and allow better flow. Cinnamon helps reduce plaque buildup, supports healthy circulation, and stabilizes blood sugar, something many seniors struggle with. And lemon works like a gentle cleanser for your veins, keeping everything flowing smoothly. When these three simple ingredients come together, they create a powerful circulation-supporting drink your legs will thank you for. Imagine waking up and your legs don't feel stiff. Imagine taking a short walk without that burning sensation in your calves. Imagine feeling warmth instead of coldness in your feet. That's what better circulation does. It brings life back into your legs. And it starts with the first sip of this warm drink in the morning. Here's why this works so well for adults over 60. As we age, our arteries naturally stiffen. Plaque buildup narrows the vessels that carry blood to your legs. Muscles receive less oxygen and nerves become irritated. That's why you feel numbness, tingling, or heaviness. Ginger gently improves blood flow by relaxing artery walls. Cinnamon helps reduce the sticky cholesterol that clogs your vessels. Lemon adds vitamin C that strengthens blood vessels and helps in cleaning away toxins. Together, they help your legs feel lighter, stronger, and more energized. Many seniors who start drinking this daily report that their walking distance improves within weeks. Their feet feel warmer, night cramps get better, swelling around the ankles reduces. The pain that used to stop them after a few minutes of walking begins to fade. These are all signs that blood flow is improving and the legs are getting the oxygen they need. To make this drink, heat 1 cup of water until warm, not boiling. Add half a teaspoon of grated fresh ginger or a pinch of ginger powder. Add 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. Let it sit for a minute. Then squeeze half a lemon into it. Sip it slowly on an empty stomach. You don't need sugar. You don't need honey. The natural warmth and spice are enough to wake your circulation. If you want something stronger, add a tiny pinch of cayenne powder, which further opens blood vessels. But that is optional. The key is consistency. This isn't a one-day quick fix. Seniors who benefit the most drink this for at least 14 to 21 days. Over time, the inflammation in your arteries goes down, blood vessels open up, and oxygen reaches deep into the muscles of your legs. That's when you'll feel the difference. But don't just drink it. Also move your legs a little each day. Even simple ankle rotations, light stretching, or a 5-minute walk help push blood upward. Think of this drink as fuel and your movement as the engine. Together, they create strong and steady circulation. If you have cold feet at night, varicose veins starting to appear, or find yourself rubbing your legs because they feel tired, this drink can support your body's natural circulation. It's gentle, effective, and perfect for the senior body. Your legs carry you through life, to your kitchen, to your porch, to your grandchildren, to your memories. Don't ignore the early signs. Your body is whispering before it starts shouting. A simple drink each morning can make a bigger difference than you imagine. So if you're over 60 and want more energy, warmer legs, stronger steps, and healthier blood flow, start with this warm ginger cinnamon lemon drink. Your heart will thank you, your legs will thank you, and you'll feel the difference every time you stand up and take that first step of your day.